Hello to all my subscribers. Thank you for clicking this video, and compliments of the season to you and your family. If this is your first time here, thank you. You're welcome. You can click on the subscribe button below, and then you can also click on the notified button, which is the bell sign, so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm gonna be giving you like a breakfast recipe, something you can take over the holiday. Not your regular breakfast, but something different for the holiday season. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make lentil akara. So this is basically akara, but we are swapping beans for lentils. And this is a recipe that a friend of mine taught me how to make, and since then I've thoroughly enjoyed eating this breakfast. So why not spice up your breakfast menu and switch things up from the regular beans to use of lentils, and you're sure not to regret it. Before we go ahead, let's look at the list of ingredients.